Long before humans existed, Earth was ruled by giants.
A world completely different from ours.
These creatures dominated the land for millions of years.
They were the true rulers of Earth.
But one dinosaur would change science forever.
The very first to be named.
This was Megalosaurus, the first true giant to walk the Earth, and the first dinosaur ever identified.
What if the first dinosaur was discovered by accident in England?
In 1676, workers uncovered a massive fossil bone.
Unlike anything seen before.
The bone was enormous and deeply confusing.
English naturalist Robert Plot studied the bone. He tried to explain the impossible. He believed it belonged to a giant human. But he was wrong. Centuries later, scientists realized the truth. It was dinosaur bone. But the name was still missing, for now.
Early reconstructions were incorrect. Science was still learning. But modern science revealed the truth.
A predator on two legs.
Megalosaurus was a bipedal carnivore.
Fast and deadly.
It reached up to 30 feet in length.
A true.
It lived 165 million years ago in what is now England.
That Megalosaurus did more than exist. It created a new science. In 1825, Iguanodon was discovered.
The second named dinosaur.
In 1833, Paleosaurus followed.
The first armored dinosaur.
Scientists saw a pattern emerging. These animals were related.
In 1842, a new term was created.
Dinosaur.
The public was fascinated.
A new age began.
Dinosaurs captured imagination worldwide.
And curiosity exploded.
What else was hidden beneath the earth? Waiting.
A new scientific field was born.
Paleontology.
Dinosaurs were found on every continent. A global story.
Each discovery refined understanding. Science evolved. And it all started with Megalosaurus.
The first.
Some dinosaurs even experimented with flight.
Like Yiki. Unlike birds, it used membranes.
A unique evolution.
Dinosaurs were more diverse than imagined. Far more.
Some used feathers for display.
Not flight.
How big can life become? This big.
Some dinosaurs laid soft eggs.
Like reptiles.
Some hunted in water. Dinosaurs adapted to every environment.
Every niche.
Some fossils preserved skin and armor, frozen in time.
We can even study their last meals.
Incredible detail.
They feel alive. After millions of years. Evolved extreme horns.
For display.
Evolution worked fast and creatively.
Technology transformed paleontology. X-rays and scans.
We now see dinosaurs in motion. Almost alive.
The past is clearer than ever, thanks to science.
New species are found every year. History keeps growing.
But Megalosaurus remains the first.
The beginning.
From one bone to an entire science. Knowledge passed to new generations. Inspiring minds.
Curiosity lives on.
Because of discovery.
What else lies buried? Waiting.
The first dinosaur named.
Megalosaurus started everything. A scientific revolution.
Dinosaurs reshaped our understanding of life.
And extinction.
Even giants can fall. But knowledge survives. Dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They evolved. Birds are living dinosaurs. Among us. The past lives on everywhere. Science continues to ask questions and find answers. Megalosaurus, the first dinosaur named.
The year science changed. Forever.
All from one bone. One idea. The first step into deep time. A legend.
A scientific milestone for humanity.
This is the story of Megalosaurus.
The beginning of dinosaur science. And the journey is far from over. Discovery never ends.